adorable. You want my camera, don't you? Oh my gosh, you took it. Brooklyn. Stop. No! No! She took my phone. Yeah, took my phone. Don't do that. Brooklyn! What? Oh no. What? Stop taking my phone! No! No! No. That's not fair. She wants both. That's so cute.
Brooklyn,
What are you doing?
what are you doing?
She wants the donut.
Well, she's going to be sad because I'm about to finish it.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, it's sad. Why she starts crying. I wanted that. She's looking at the cookies now.